ko lang tong isla dito. Don't help me, Rox. Are you helping Mama? She's helping me, look. Ina-outlet ko to para maipalabas kung anong nararamdaman ko.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating.
Good morning! Good morning! You ready to go out? Are you ready to go out? Is Dada out already? Oh, he's still in the shower. Okay, let's go out. Good morning, guys. It is January 8th. Yeah, I just came in inside. I was outside to spread a salt. So now let's go out with the dog. Okay, Mama, I guess I have to clean this up right here. It's slippery. Hello, Rox. Hello, Rox. Where is Roxy? Rox. Chick. 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 Roxy. Chick. Where you going? I think ilagay ko kayo dito, guys. I'm just gonna put you right here. Right, Rox? I'll put you right here. Okay. Let me put you right here. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Come here. Okay, guys, I think I have to get you from there. Kunin ko lang tong isla dito. Don't help me, Rox. Are you helping Mama? She's helping me, look. Are you helping me? Hmm? Are you helping me? Are you done? Are you cold, Misty? Are you done, Mitz? I was outside with the dogs. I was sliding. I hurt my butt because the ground is kinda slanted. So when I step, I thought it's flat. So I kind of like puke, and then because I'm running after Roxy. So I wish I can bring the dog out, the cat outside. Where are you, hon? Are you gonna sit here? No? I don't know what time it is. I can't even see. 11:54 in the morning. I am going to edit the video. And I think I have to get a new cover with this laptop. Yeah, I think I need to, because I'm gonna get rid of this color and change it to, I think, to like a white, not white, it's kind of like a granite looking thing. I will post a picture here, guys. But yeah, I'm thinking to change this because it's already, I have this since I got this laptop, I think 2 years ago, 3 now, I think. I forgot, guys, I'm sorry. Pupunta daw dito yung kapatid niya at saka asawa, pero hindi pa sure. It's not sure yet. I kinda give up on packing, guys, because you know what, I don't really know. Every time I pack some stuff, it end up like, oh, wag mong dalhin yan kasi nandito pa sila. What, you know, aalis naman tayo, ba't hindi pa anuhin? Ba't hindi pa, marami akong chika sa inyo, diba? Marami akong kachika-chika, kadaldalan sa buhay. To prevent dryness. Everyone is sleeping. I'm just done editing, but recheck it later. That's how I do my vlog. Yeah, so everybody is sleeping right now. You wanna see? Hubs right there, Dimples right there, Roxy's right here, Misty's right there. You're staring at me, Misty. Poor Misty calls. Poor Misty. Oh, look at that. You want me to scratch you, no? You want me to scratch you? You're such a lovely little baby girl. You're such a lovely little baby girl. I'm gonna go to my little princess over here, because I'm sure she wants to be touched. Oh, Misty, you can go back to your bed. You have to share the time. We go to your sister, Roxy. Okay. Oh, look at this. Are you stretching? Mysticals. I don't have 2 hands. I have 2 hands anyway, but I'm using it to film you. I'm using it to film you. Tush. I'm using. Okay, I'm gonna touch your sister too. She have a nice hair, guys. I mean, it's different texture, but I love the gray and the black together. She have the best hair color. Like Roxy is the best because she have a very soft hair, guys. Like if you touch it, guys, it's very soft. It's very, very soft. Look at this. But I love you. I love you. Oh, look at this way. Oy, everyone to be lovey-dovey. Misty, oy. Misty. Nandito ako palagi. Iba talaga yung feeling ko. Kasi marami kang maririnig. Guys, I'm sorry if I kinda ranting all the time, because this is my life. I'm just telling you. Ito na yun, guys. Ito na yun. Marami kang maririnig na hindi mo gusto, na ayaw mo naman dapat marinig. At makikurious ka, makikinig ka na lang. Yung feeling na wala kang kausap, na wala kang mapagsabihan. Meron naman akong kaibigan si Beth, sinasabi ko sa kanya noon, and nagpasalamat ako dahil siya lang talaga ang sinasabihan ko na lahat dito. At saka yun lang, guys. So dahil naman ito sa YouTube, ina-outlet ko to para maipalabas yung sino ako, kung anong nararamdaman ko, kung ano ang buhay ko dito, kung ano ang buhay ng mag-asawa ng puti at nakatira sa isang bubong ng mga kamag-anak or ina or kapatid, whatever. So hayaan mo na lang ako, guys, na mag-rant. Hindi naman talaga kung ano lang ang nararamdaman ko. Kasi itong umaga, narinig naman ako pag merong gawin yung asawa ko sa akin dahilan na yun ang ginawa ng asawa ko dahil sa akin, diba? Yung mga ganyan guys na alam ko naman na wala akong trabaho. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, magtrabaho na nga ako, doon ako makatira sa kaibigan ko, bahala na para makatulong sa bayaran sa aming bahay. Somebody's in here. Somebody's right here. Hello. Hello.
That because of the deaths in our subsequent families, it had affected our behavior towards
Hello.
I'm not saying you did.
You're hiding your face.
It was not that.
I love you,
It was
Bob.
confrontational at all with you. I was just saying, hey, you know what? This
I love. Ang hirap pala pag ganito, ano. Mag-ano lang ako, magre-ready para dalhin ko bukas sa isang bahay. And I'm gonna start looking for a job. These people with and Tommy doesn't want me to go work in Queens. And there's a lot of job over there because there's a lot of opportunity, and I have few friends in there that it's a good job, but he doesn't want me to. And he keeps saying, oh, how long is the job? Yeah, we're gonna be staying there. Is it gonna be a week? Is it gonna be a month? Is it gonna be 3 months? Is it gonna be 6 months? Is it gonna be the whole year? So, seems like he doesn't want me to be like not living together. Hi guys, it is already 6 o'clock. It's late vlog. My sister-in-law just left. Yeah, they just left. My sister-in-law and her husband came in here. They tried to fix my mother-in-law's car. I mean, try to getting it started because oh shucks, I thought I'm stepping on dimples. They're trying to sell it while her husband is outside. Me and my sister-in-law is going to Dari to lock some stuff. Anyway, they just left, and that's why I haven't vlogged those times. I'm gonna continue my editing because I supposedly downloaded already and reviewed already guys live, but obviously not because they're here and I don't wanna be in my laptop and they're here and edit some stuff, you know me. So right now I am making some chicken and I just feed the animals anyway. The cat doesn't eat anything as usual, and the dog ate because they're hungry. Oh yeah, they don't came here that do the trailer, so they came here just to do the car, and that's really it guys. Hopefully tomorrow I can go up to the house alone. Okay guys, natutulog na ako mamaya. I'm going to bed soon. I'm going to bed guys. Patayin ko lang yan. Tignan ko lang yung lights. Hello, doll. Hello, asa ka? Asa mo? Ha? Unya, at unsa man ko oras makatawag unya? Gabi naamo sa balik na mo Davao? Oh, mutawag ko niya gabi ha. Sige, bye. Hi guys, insert shout out guys. Shout out to Mama Lini and baby Stephen. This is from Al Steve. Hi sis. And also shout out hi to Jaden Roseldin sis kid. Hi Roseldin si and hi sa anak mo na si Jadin. Thank you so much for watching, and birthday niya sa January 14. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! And that's all guys for the shout out, and I will see you in my next vlog. And thank you all guys so much for watching. I forgot to end this vlog properly. And anyway, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really do appreciate it. And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye. Good night, guys. He ignore Hubs and he goes to Dimple.